500 miles and I would walk 500 more. Just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
Been looking forward to this one. This is a Norse mill and kiln, apparently. Do you know about this one?
It's a Norse mill and kiln.
Do you know anything about more than that?
Compensating 500 really well constructed coggly steps.
These are good steps.
Different sizes.
Yeah, they're made for people with really wee feet by the looks of it.
Are you excited yet? You're really excited? Why?
Norse mill and kiln. Have I been a Norse mill and kiln before?
That's why he's excited.
It's a Norse mill.
Norse kiln. With another very coggly floor. See the fire pit. And obviously where they were getting more oxygen in to make it burn more hotly. More hotly, that's the thing now. Now we will go through to the mill to see the Norse milling process. Here we can clearly see a millstone. Right, the engineer dweeb's going to tell us all about how this works.
Yeah, the water comes in through the channel at the back. Green.
Absolutely.
Yeah. That was the Norse mill and kiln. What do you think?
Yes, well worth a visit. Quarter of a mile walk in, though really good gravel paths the whole way there. The place has been really well restored. There's a lot of information about the workings of the kiln and the mill, and it's absolutely free. I really think it is actually worth a visit.
Oh, definitely, yeah. Oh, on the way here we passed the whalebone thing, which the whalebone and harpoon, which is actually in somebody's garden, so we didn't hang about too long. But you've got a story about that one?
Yes, it was I think in the 1920s. The whale washed up on the beach around here, and a guy basically found the bone, and the harpoon was still attached, and he took it to his shed, where he then discovered that the small explosive device in the harpoon hadn't been set off, and it went off in his shed. Luckily he wasn't in the shed when it went off.
Yeah, that would have been bad.
No, well, it wouldn't have been good.
Yeah. Well, the whale apparently washed up. It had obviously died because of its wounds, but it didn't die instantly because the harpoon didn't go off. So
No.
they just left it floating out there until it washed up.
Sad but true.
Yep. Been a Steinacleit stone circle to find a pile of stones that are supposedly 3,500 years old.
They could be from it could be from 500 BC up to 3000 BC, but since nobody could be bothered doing any archaeological research on the actual site. It's basically a pile of stone.
So we've come to another stone.
Oh no, when we were, excuse me? When we were there, we saw a beautiful dome operation with a causeway out to it
Yeah,
on the
aye.
loch, and we've got a nice...
Over at the side of the road, there's what looks like a crannog with an old dun on it. Now we've checked the map and there's nothing listed on it at all, but that definitely looks like some sort of building that used to be there.